President Donald Trump signed an executive order to ensure truck drivers in America can speak and understand English. This order aims to improve road safety and reduce regulatory burdens on truckers. Here are the main points. Restoring English Proficiency Rules. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration (FMCSA) will enforce English language proficiency for truck drivers again. This means drivers who can't speak or read English well enough will be taken off the road. Investigating foreign licenses. States will review how they issue commercial driver's licenses (CDLs) to foreign citizens. They will look for any unusual patterns or fake credentials. Improving truckers' working conditions. The order calls for actions to make truckers' jobs easier by reducing unnecessary regulations. Why is this important? Safety first. Drivers need to understand road signs and communicate with safety officers. Not being able to speak English has led to fatal accidents. Common sense. Both Trump and Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy believe enforcing English proficiency is just common sense. Support from trucking groups. Many trucking associations support this move, saying it will make roads safer and help drivers understand critical instructions. Background. In 2015, the Commercial Vehicle Safety Alliance (CVSA) voted to relax English proficiency enforcement. This led to fewer violations being logged. Recent discussions at trucking shows and state bills, like one in Arkansas, have pushed for stricter enforcement again. Impact. The order aims to ensure that drivers who can't speak English are taken off the road, enhancing safety. Trucking groups like UITA and American Truckers United are thankful for this move, seeing it as a big step forward in protecting roadways. Please like and subscribe to stay informed.